just got here and I'm already sweating. We got the female figure with Cyclops face. If you want to see me painting that, check the last video. I'm doing, bam, the male. Same style exactly. I wanted to do a male and female, and that's why I'm doing it. So the full painting process coming at you. I think they'll be cool standing next to each other. I guess we'll find out. all this video, there's a train, but you know, you saw a bunch of canvas. That's a train. And this light is very bright. But yeah, there she is. Finished the male up, the male figure with the Cyclops. I got the male and female hung up on this gallery wall. It looks so snazzy, wouldn't you agree? The paintings down there are also kind of like a series. All of this on this wall is series based, I guess you can say. The intent was to be similar in sequential order. This wall looking real nice. This whole entire wall, you can't really see it to the left of me, but all of that is also canvases. It looks great. It's kind of like my mini gallery space. I'm lucky to have it. My workspace is right in front of me, but yeah, very exciting. And yeah, that's all I got. That's all she wrote. Hopefully you enjoyed, this little series if you've seen both those videos. You should subscribe to my channel, because if you've seen a lot of canvases here, you couldn't imagine how many videos I have on my YouTube channel. So you might want to go look at some older videos and subscribe to stay tuned. I would, or else you're gonna miss out on all the action, all the creation. So I will see you in the next video.